In this video, we are going to see how we can download the applications on an iPhone if you're using a JV phone or whatever. You might have noticed that whenever you are trying to download or install any application, you click on Get and you get onto this section, which requires you to complete a purchase or complete the sign in process. Otherwise, it will not go through. So here's what you need to do. First of all, just head over to the settings. And from the settings on the top, you will see this Apple account option. Click on that and you click on don't have an Apple account. Now this is for the latest version. I'm using iOS 26 on iPhone 16 Pro Max. So this is the latest options. From here, you will select the age range that will be using this iPhone. So I'll select adult and just mention your name, last name and date of birth. For confidential reasons, I will hide this. And then I will mention an email address that will be my new Apple ID. Click on continue. Click on continue. I'll just mention my existing email ID, but just make sure that this is not an ID that you use commonly. And now we will select any Apple account password. Make sure that the password meet all of the requirements. That means the password must be of 8 characters, include a number and an uppercase or lowercase letter. Click on next. And now whatever phone is using the SIM, you will get the verification code there. You just simply mention that code and then you can agree to all terms and conditions. Click I agree. And after that, it is signing you in. And now as you can see, we just need to verify our email address. Click on verify email address, send a code, and whatever code you receive on that specific email, just mention it here. So I have mentioned that. And local health data, I'll just delete that. I'll cancel any stock subscription and so on. And now you can see that I have successfully logged in with my Apple account. Now, if I try to install any application, I should have no problem in installing that. As you can see, I'll just click on this. And once you get that right, you should be able to use the Apple account and iCloud and more of the services. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.